Wyatt.
Oh, dude.
Wyatt.
Oh, it slipped into your...
Yeah, I was holding
Okay.
Wyatt, I wasn't recording.
Oh.
I mean, I barely got any of it on
Hold
camera.
on, I'm going to see if I can remember what we used last time.
We used like some little tube and like some cardboard.
There's still half of it left.
Is it good?
So that's normal. Okay, we need a different bottle.
I want one Mento.
You want a mint one?
Yeah.
Okay, one. Let me open this one.
You could probably do another one in there. Here, give me two. I'm gonna drop one in there to see what happens.
I
Wait.
dropped a bunch in there.
I know, but after.
I wanna eat one too.
Here, you can eat one. You can put this one in.
Alright.
Put it in. See what it does.
Let's see what happens.
It's not gonna do anything.
Yeah.
I don't like soda, but
Wait. I'm gonna have a sip.
It tastes like soda.
we need the rest. Where are the other ones?
I don't
I don't
know.
know. It's still recording.
I'm gonna try my best.
Okay, so we're doing another Mentos explosion. We got white.
Wait.
We got white. There.
Ready? I'm gonna try my best to just throw them in there.
Okay.
Go. Put all of them in. Oh. That did nothing.
Yo, hold up. Should I try it?
It's not
Bang.
going to do anything.
Oh.
All right.
Well, that
Okay.
sucked.
I have a pretty good idea.
We just used the second.
Okay.
So we have one left.
You've already used 2 rolls?
That's okay. The videos go all together. The detachable penis. Guys, look at this close up. What if it just randomly started exploding right on the camera?
Let's do that.
No. Wait, no, white. You ready?
What are you doing?
Guys.
You
Oh.
had made it. Catastrophic.
Oh! Wait, that was actually really close.
So, how do you get it in? How do you take it off? Ow!
Watch this.
Okay.
Ready?
It's
What
on
do you do?
camera. We got the fruit ones.
Oh, the fruit sucked.
That
Yeah.
looks like the other one.
Oh, really?
Well, now we have.
Ready?
Don't waste all the
Don't
coke.
dump it all out. It still tastes the same.
Just taste a little- It's kind of like a hint of mint.
I think the strawberry's the best besides the mint.
Wait, if we add them together, it might work again. I'm gonna add these two together.
Okay, that was it.